This is my Chipotle burrito that I got from this place on the screen, and it was $20.
What the fuck? Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Oh, and it's funky. If I could like get it together. This is okay. Okay, let's get some side. Oh.
Like, who is walking by?
Ooh. Yeah, I was telling them before we even boarded, I was like, they're gonna be mad. Because you can smell it when the box is closed. This is not a good knife. Let me see. It's not that bad. It's pretty good.
Oh, look at that.
They must have wrapped this. They must have double wrapped it because it's really hard to cut through.
Oh, yeah, you can make Do you record the whole thing eating it or just I don't know.
Taunting. Going off. Okay. Going off what I ate so far. I would give it a 5 out of 10. It's okay. It's not terrible.
A 5 is like mediocre though.
Yeah, it's okay. Like, I'll eat it.
It's edible.
Yes, it needs to be warmed up, I think.
Oh, it needs to be.
Because I think I let it cool down too long.
Okay.
And now the burrito is tough to cut through. Maybe it might be the wooden stick, but who knows.
That's like nothing water.
But yeah, that's it.
You're not eating it anymore?
I'm gonna stop recording. Yeah. But people. Okay. I'm just gonna... We just made it to the port. So we're here at the port. I have a mic. Oh, I have a mic, but it's not working. It's loud. Then I'm trying to get myself situated. I was just asleep in the car. Now we hear they blowing whistles and doing all this extra shenanigans. My bathing suit is out. I'm just very discombobulated, and I want to go lay down again, and I can't. But I don't know exactly what we're waiting on. Scoping out the scenery. So far, I really don't see nothing at all. For real. I feel like the audio is so I'll come back later. But this is really, I shouldn't say really ghetto, but it's definitely like what's going on here. I'll be back later. So y'all, I'm sitting here crying on a cruise ship. Look at the view that I have.
Boy, if you don't.
And I'm sitting here crying. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that insane? Look at this view. It's probably not that good on camera. I'll take a picture for y'all. But this is the view I have, and I'm sitting here crying because, let me pause my music. I'm listening to, oh shit. You see? I'm listening to February by A Boogie. Yeah. But I just, I bought because there's no internet on the ship. So I bought internet package, right? And it was $216.93. Now, online, it was $165 even. And I guess that was like because of my first purchase or whatever, and then pre-boarding and stuff like that. Then I had $100 oh my gosh, my start crying. The point is, the reason that I'm recording this is because I'm a very emotional person. And I'm really, really sensitive, and like it be the little stuff irk me. So I was already irritated before, and then I tried to like woosah, right? So I was cool a little bit, but I'm still like a little tad bit agitated. Then we get over there and we do the transaction, whatever, and that just really just like pissed me off, like it irritated me. So yeah, right now I'm taking a second to regroup, and then I'm gonna regroup. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out here by myself. But yeah, it's just not. It's not tea. Oh my gosh, y'all don't be calling me no carpet bitch, okay? Cause really, what really made me mad is when I had to turn around because I felt like slacking this girl.
Stop it.
In GTA. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna listen to my music. Ooh, we're gonna listen to some Calvin Richardson. Y'all know nothing about this. Yes. Oh, I just paused it. Okay, chat. Well, thank you guys for listening to me. I will be leaving now. Toodaloo.
JB Moro, go and get your bag.
So y'all, we have boarded the boat. Hey, we boarded the boat. Hey, I'm in a room right now. This is probably one and only time that I will have the room to myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my headphones off. Y'all, they had me slip on some boosie old clothes. Nah, they didn't have me, but wait, I don't think I can play that actually. But yeah, I just threw some clothes on. So this is not what I'm gonna be wearing today, but I do have on my swimsuit under this. Really tea. Anyways. Yeah, so let's do a room tour, y'all. What? Cause I just feel like my iPad quality is better than my camera quality, no shade. So let me get a key card so I don't lock myself out. Ooh, it's dust all on the counter, y'all. Come on now. That's how you know it ain't been nobody in here. Clock it. So you take the key card, right? This is what it looks like, right? Period. This is our door, this is our neighbors. Shout out to our neighbors. They probably gonna get tired of us, tired of me personally, real fast. So like that. Open up. Okay, then this is what it's looking like before we even go in. So we come in right here. You see they got the lights. What is this, a closet? Yeah. Oh, this is a bathroom. Okay, so it's about 2 of these that turn on all the lights, like in the whole like little, you feel me? Boom. This is actually really, really nice. This is nicer than the last one that we stayed in. It got the glass door, toiletry, stuff like that. This is the built-in trash. That is too cute. And then this is a cupboard. Oh, this is a drawer. Chad, this is a drawer. What? That is too cute. And it's just a push, I think. Or no, you can like pull it out. But yeah, y'all, this is the mirror. Y'all see how I be walking around with my iPad? So if y'all ever see me, I'll be like, yeah, I'm recording my iPad. This is what I gotta do. I gotta hold this big ass iPad and record like this. But it's no shame in my game because this is where all my storage is at. Then we got this full body mirror. So there will be OOTDs every day. Thank you. So we got a closet right here. I don't really know what this box is for. I wonder if there's supposed to be something in there. Oh my gosh. What if it's because there's a camera behind the mirror? Because this box looks so unnecessary. We got up there for some hangers. Some more hanger hooks. In here, oh, we have hangers, hella hangers. Okay, I like that. I like that. Laundry service. Ooh, child, $1.99. I don't care how much it is. I'm not paying for it. Anyways, and then there's some little basket cupboards that you guys can see right here. There's 4 of them. So there's 4 cupboards. A little nightstand. Okay, the switch. It has a plug too. Y'all, we have a thermostat right here. Let's see. Evening. Oh, this is a light. Okay, cool. That is cool. That's too cool. Well, y'all hella cool up on here. Okay. So basically, me using my common sense, these are the settings, and then this is like turn them all off, dim them, full brightness. But yeah, y'all, that is the OOTD. That's not OOTD, but that's like the what's it called? The room tour. Actually, no, I didn't even get past the bed. Okay. Anyway, so anyways, behind the door we have emergency alarm. You know, they tell you how to put your life jackets on and stuff like that. Whatever. We got the little eye keypad. Look through who knocking at the door. Somebody dumb granny mad because her son in here. You know what I'm saying?
What?
We got some more hooks over here. TV, flat screen. We got this is actually 2 twin beds put together to make I don't know bed sizes, but I would assume that's a queen. They have, and I'm so happy that they have these. I'm so happy that they have these because usually certain places, they don't be having these kind of USBs, BSCs, port. I don't know what you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it is what you could call it. But they don't usually be having those. So the fact that they have these built in, I fucks with that. Real bad. Then over here, they have, oh, shucks. Come on now. See what I'm saying, bro? It be ghetto when I'm recording my iPad, but it's okay. I think that's just for like regular stuff, but plugs don't usually look like that. Then we have whatever this is. This, like I said, this turns off all the lights. Like all the lights over there, off. You know what I'm saying? And then this turns off this like mirror light and whatnot. Like that. And then there's a little bench, a little seat. I don't know if this is really a seat though. But, you know, we got a little window. Oh, shucks. Feel like they starting up the engine right now, y'all. I'm gonna do the tour mobile now. I mean, not mobile, but stationary. Yeah. So then we have this little thingy. It comes with the hook. You can close this off. So right now it's really exclusive. So I'm gonna actually leave that closed. We have one of these. I guess this is like if you wanted room service. One of these. And we have tissues. So these are the first 2 drawers right here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll show you guys in a second. We have a safe. Oh no, we got a mini fridge. Hold up, we got a mini fridge. Don't play with me right now, for real. Because this is 2T, y'all. This is 2T. And over here we have a mini fridge. Baby, because please don't play with them. Please don't play with them. It says keep it cool but not too cold. This appliance is a cool. Oh shit. Well, they just humble me. So that's actually a cooler, not what's it called? This cabinet. It has this book in here. I don't really know what this is. Oh, I guess it's like a magazine or something. Hello? Hello? Oh, I think that's them. Okay, guys, that's the rest of the people. You guys are gonna meet them soon. Okay, I'm coming. This is the chair we have. This chair is really, really cool. I told y'all I'm not gonna be by myself in here for long. Now it's gonna be 3 other people. So then we have this trash, this little desk thing, these little thingies. I don't know if I showed y'all that already. Some more cords, and then this is a pull-out bed. That is a telephone, and then we're gonna go get the others. Let's see how they act. No shade. Where's the 2 beds? They're put together. Wow. You just left the voicemail? Yeah. Okay. So, those you guys
split it. First 3 days, last 3 days.
Your
That's
ticket
fair.
to adventure. And I got some mail.
Or we can alternate.
Why do I have
one
mail?
night, next night,
And we're on
one
the
night,
boat.
next night. That's probably better. It's better.
Maybe it's not mine.
Because what if our back hurts for 3 nights in a row? We're gonna be like, well, like, you know. So. Yeah. Sounds good.
It's really comfortable.
So we can have this tonight. After a long
Oh,
night.
Safari Beach.
Tomorrow.
Can you throw me the remote, please?
So you put who
This
put me
pulls
on
out though,
this?
How far does this pull out though? That's the question.
No, that's why it looks so
It says it's an excursion. I didn't get an excursion.
Should we try it to see? Yeah. Okay.
Because you have the same one.
Oh wait, what is this?
there bags in here?
We don't have like wristbands or something?
I didn't book
No, this
anything.
is yours.
Oh, this. Grab your key.
Huh?
Oh, we have
No,
that.
our bags aren't here yet.
Where's your key at? I want to see
It's
it.
right there.
What did it say?
Where's my key?
Your key is still in the thingy.
Okay, M2. You M2.
What's that mean?
Minor 2.
Minor 2.
Yes,
Minor 1.
yes.
We don't have anything when we're adults.
Let me see.
And it shows you have to
Old heads. Alright.
So I'm trying to get that wristband.
Such
Somebody's
a
not.
probably.
The cute guys? Just kidding.
What you got?
Nia was like, look, and there's 2 guys down there, like 2 rooms down.
I was like,
And I was like, stop me.
Okay, chat. So that was this room tour. That was the room tour. And that's the end of the first video of my cruise adventure. So,
Just sit down so you can sit down.
do you guys want to say hi to chat? Anyways, it's not about them. It's about the room.
hello.
What would you guys rate the room so far?
I
Honestly,
think it's a 9.
yeah.
Yeah.
This bed is really comfortable.
Yeah.
9 for what we paid?
Yeah. This is really
Well,
comfortable.
all I know is I paid $4,000, so I don't know what
We paid 4,000.
in total. I don't know what went to what. So, anyways, yeah.
All together with everything.
I would say the room is definitely good vibes. I
I'm gonna
love.
hang out my dresses.
I love.
Oh, wait,
I'll
we
let
didn't
y'all
get
know
our-
how the couch comes out when I pull it out. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified when I post up the part 2 update. Bye, guys. Oh, shucks. Sorry about that.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could.
Say hello to the camera, Nia. Okay. You don't have to sit and chill.
I'm really sorry, you know. I don't want to mess up your frame.
You won't mess up the frame. Hi.
You came from Russia.
Yes, I did. Yes. Oh, shucks. So this is my fit. We have my cute bunny ear hoodie, beanie. Literally so cute. Yeah, I love my jeans. They are slipping a little bit, so my undies are kind of like a little bit showing. I think I probably should have wore like some cuter underwear or something that like match maybe or something. I don't know, but you have to need to push my underwear down. But then it looks like I don't have on no drawers. But yeah, this is the fit. Really cute. So cute. Yes.